Nebraska 4-H Tech Changemakers started about 3 years ago as part of a grant from National 4-H Council. We have youth and adults working together to do a lot of programming around the state. The goals of the program are twofold. One is really to bring awareness to the need for rural broadband across the country. And the second is to teach employability skills utilizing technology.
The Tech Changemakers conference is really important because it brings together educators, the university, and students to all come together around this topic of technology and how it's changing fundamentally how we operate in our workplaces, in the classroom, and as people every day.
It's really critical that we provide those resources and we create sustainable ways for rural districts to get equitable access to technology.
I think bottom line, this is going to have a huge impact on our #1 industry in the state and in enhancing community prosperity and vitality through using digital tools to even access to important services.
This conference is really important because it allows young people to share what they learn and know about technology with educators of all forms, K-12, informal educators, things like that, but to also inform the public, so to go out and share that information also.
Part of the program is Teens as Teachers, and so utilizing them to help put on a conference for educators, both informal and formal, across our great state, everywhere from elementary level to post-secondary.
We have a large variety of sessions that we are offering today. Everything from learning about drones to learning about artificial intelligence to improving resumes. They just allow educators, current, future, to enhance their skills and learn things that they might not have known before.
Everyone's going to be using technology, everyone is using technology. So making sure there's equitable access to technology is absolutely important.
It's helping my community where I live, and it's a really nice thing to see people I know learning more and being able to use this information in their day-to-day lives.
I plan to take away a lot of the AI tools that they've been talking about and try to really integrate them into my own classroom.
You know, we are a really tiny school and I teach science. My curriculum's all online. So having me learn more things to help teach the kids to navigate like tech world is so important. The more educated I can be in this field, the better teacher I think I'll be.
And we really want them to have tangible tools to be able to take back new ideas and implement them in their lesson plans and programs that they're doing across the state with youth and adult learners.